Welcome to Big Daddy's Story Time. We're reading Curious George. See George take a job. See George take a job. Do you see George taking a job there? Excellent job, my friends. George will clean today. Do you see George with all the cleaning stuff? Excellent job. What does George see? Do you see George looking in the window and seeing the painters? Great work there, my friends. George sees some green paint. How neat! Do you see George coming through the window and look at all the paint? Excellent job. See what George has done. Yippee! Do you see George there painting? Great job, my friends. George flees! Do you see George running away? Excellent job. Whee! Be careful, George! Do you see George running and everybody's chasing him? Excellent job, my friends. George does not need a job. He is happier in a tree. What have we learned today? We have learned that George was happier when he was in a tree and not cleaning. Be sure to be happy today, my friends. Be sure to like, favorite, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more Big Daddy Storytime. Be blessed, my friends. Bye bye.